What's up, Pyros? Here's my 2021 stash of the year. We got the big, massive fountain assortment by DFS. Got the Excaliburs, canister shells, Crazy Festival fountain by DFS. Dream Manha by Fountain DFS. Secret Paradise by Fountain by Sky Pioneer. We got Puppy Readers, 20 shot cake. That's by World Class Fireworks. We got Breathing Fire, 9 shot 500 gram cake by World Class Fireworks. We got Happy Clown Bomb. This is don't know how many shots. 16 shots by Cutting Edge Fireworks. We got Fill Her Up by World Class Fireworks, 25 shots. Full Service 200 gram cake, 25 shots, World Class Fireworks. Garage Gal 200 gram cake, World Class Fireworks, 25 shots. Happy 4th Fountain DFS. We got Bug Eye, World Class Fireworks, 86 shots. We have Luna Chick, 9 shots, World Class Fireworks. We got Tough Guy Premium Shells by Cutting Edge Fireworks. We got Green Wasps by Shogun. We got the sparklers for the kids. 100 shot Saturn missiles, Shogun. And then we have for the kids, we got the little lightsaber. And then home run bat for the kids. And we got some flowers, smoke bombs, but that's it. That's my little stash for this year.